Yeah, kia ora. Just thought I'd share with you the way I cook rice when I'm camping. Now, I'm obviously not camping today, but it's quite a good technique that you can use in your house and save a wee bit of power as well. What do I need? There is 1 cup of rice. To the rice I've added some homemade chili flakes. These are really hot, so don't need much of those. A wee bit of salt and some onion powder. That's just some onions that I put through the dehydrator with and then into the NutriBullet and ground them up. So there's about 2/3 of an onion equivalent there. Okay, so I just pour that into a large-mouthed thermos flask. This is an oldie, but it does this job really well. Okay, so there's 1 cup of rice with the seasoning in there. Add 1 cup of water. This is boiling, just the kettle just boiled. Add 1 cup. Add a 2nd cup. There it all is in there. Put the lid on. Seal it up. It's 5:18. We'll come back in half an hour and check it. Should be done. So we'll see you in half an hour. Well, I got carried away with the time. I was cooking tea. Let's try and open this thing. It's always hard to do this one-handed. Pop. Yep, that's cooked. Some rice tends to take longer than others. Short grain rice is really best with this method, but long grain rice works as well. Might be useful if you're camping, you've got a thermos flask, or it might be useful in a power cut where you just need to boil some water, throw the rice in and leave it, so you don't have to leave it boiling for 15-20 minutes as you might normally. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you found that useful. Have a good day.